the ambient temperature of the air around it, because it's a green layer. It also cleans the air as well, and it also, provides opportunities for your roofs to last at least 5 times longer. And so we're very excited about that too. And you're probably wondering why I'm showing all these people working. Well, it's because these are jobs that cannot be outsourced. It's like you're not going to send your roof somewhere, to another country to get it done. It's going to have to be done by people that are living and working, in your area as well. And so this is the roof that we planted on my roof a few years ago, and this is what it looks like now. And this was the roof that we did on the headquarters of Sustainable South Bronx, and just to show that you could do lots of different types of roofs as well. And this was just a way to show that you could do things like medicinal herb gardens, and even grow food or urban agriculture as well. And so these were the best strawberries I've ever had in my entire life, like right upstairs. We're very excited about that. But the idea is that since they attract and retain so much stormwater, it's not like you're ever going to get rid of doing these like major sewage treatment plants, but you can absolutely reduce your dependence on them, because these are single use, they're really ugly and often stinky, energy inefficiently designed. They cost sometimes billions of dollars to do. So why would you not want to create opportunities, such as green roofs, and other kinds of horticultural infrastructure like that allows people, to think about other ways of doing, creating the same kind of opportunities, doing the same kind of environmental services that those things like sewage treatment systems do. And so just imagine, because when we think about any urban area, for the most part, about 20% of its surface area is, in fact, rooftop. And so imagine if we were able to green roof all of the rooftops in any given urban area. Imagine the stormwater management benefits, the air cleansing benefits, just the reduction in energy, because once you have those, the air temperature goes down, so you can use less energy as well. And this type of stuff is just called horticultural infrastructure or green infrastructure. And it acknowledges the fact that nature was doing the job of things like man-made infrastructure long before man bothered to make any of it, and doing a really, really good job, and doing it with less impact to the environment. And there were often benefits to people as well, because they provide the environmental services that we absolutely need. Cleaning the air, stormwater management, erosion control, all these things. And they provide also opportunities to create amazing jobs. So there were these other benefits associated with that. And one of the reasons why I got involved with this type of stuff was I read this study that was done back in the 1980s around this group called University of Illinois, and they studied these two parts in these very notorious social housing complexes called Cabrini Green in Chicago, Illinois. And so this was not like much of the social housing that I've seen in Europe, which is actually pretty nice compared to the stuff that we have in our states. These were very violent, crime-infested, health, problematic places, and Cabrini Green was one of the worst ones. And so what this group did was they did this study that looked specifically at, people in 2 different areas. One area in this social housing project had trees nearby them, and the other group of residents